Welcome to Project Insight. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a checklist to a task. As you can see on this task details page, you can see that we have a checklist, which appears as a table with the order, description, completed by, and completed columns. And under the completed column, you're able to check in these checkboxes. In order to create a task checklist, first you're going to make sure you have the task checklist add-on installed. To do this, you'll go to add-ons, and then you can search checklist. If you don't already have this add-on installed, you can get it through Get More Add-Ons, and it comes ready to go without any configuration. You'll inline edit the task that you'd like to create a checklist for. Then you'll click the Edit Description pop-up, which is this triangle in the top right corner of the cell. From here, you can enter a description, but below that, there's this Show Checklist hyperlink. Now you'll open this, you'll enter the number of your step, so we'll put number 1, description, step 1, and so on and so forth, and it will automatically fill the numbers in for you. Once you're done filling in the checklist items, you'll click Save, and if we go to the task details page, you'll see that your checklist appears under additional info. And that's all you need to know to add a checklist to a task in Project Insight. For more information on tasks and add-ons, you can reference our existing videos and documentation on the subject.